Friends, we use websites and we know that 85% of website is made up of PHP language. In this video, I will tell you about interesting facts of PHP. Stay with me, let's start. The mascot of PHP is Big Blue Elephant. Personal homepage is the original name of PHP. Today PHP is recognized as PHP Hypertext Processor. Over 244 plus million websites use PHP. All through PHP is free, but it is not distributed under the GPL General Public License. Procedural programming, object programming, and also a mixture of them are used by PHP. PHP 4, which is powered by Zend Engine version 1, which was released on 22 May 2000. Currently, the latest version of PHP is PHP 7.4.11. 244 million sites were developed by using PHP language in this world, so it is the most important programming language in the field of web development. Initially, PHP was written in C language as a set of common gateway interface (CGI) in 1994. The famous PHP projects or frameworks are Symfony, Laravel, CodingNighter, and Faker. We can use PHP in all the major operating systems inclusive of Microsoft, Windows, Linux, macOS, and Rice's operating system. Rasmus Lerdof didn't design PHP to use as some programming language. It was just designed and developed to manage his personal website. In 1997, after months of work and beta testing, the official version of PHP was released. Friends, that's all in this video. How did you like this?